In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the shopping switch feature in Microsoft Edge. This feature can enhance your online shopping experience, providing additional insights such as price comparisons and discounts right at your fingertips. Let's dive right in and guide you through these simple steps to get you started. First things first, let's open up Microsoft Edge on your device. If you're using a computer, you can easily find the Edge icon on your desktop or within your Start menu. Give that a click, and you'll be taken to your browser's homepage, or perhaps the last page you visited. Now, in the top right corner of the window, you'll notice three horizontal dots lined up vertically. This icon represents the menu, and it's essentially your shortcut to all the settings and features Edge has to offer. Click on those three dots and a drop-down menu should appear. From this drop-down menu, you'll need to locate and select Settings. Once you click on that, it will take you to the main settings page for Edge, where you can customize your browser to suit your needs. Now, you'll see a variety of options displayed on the left side of the screen, and you want to ensure you select the Profiles tab. It's important because this is where your browser settings related to personalization are housed. Within the Profiles section, you're going to look for the area labeled Profile Preferences. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll find various options related to your personal browsing profile, including privacy settings, appearance adjustments, and more. But for today's task, keep your focus on finding the shopping switch. And there it is. When you locate it, you'll notice a toggle switch right next to it. Initially, it may be in the off position. Simply click the button on the right, and voila, you've enabled the shopping switch in your Microsoft Edge browser. With this feature now turned on, you can enjoy a more seamless shopping experience. Edge's shopping switch will help bring all your potential deals and product comparisons straight to your view as you browse online, ensuring you never miss out on a great bargain. And there you have it, folks. It's really that straightforward. Be sure to explore other features under Profile Preferences, as customizing these can enrich your browsing adventure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital life. Thank you for watching, and until next